I appreciate that. Great question, Dave. I've always had a heart for for that side of life. I remember in college, I decided that I always wanted to being a tech guy and having an interest in that. I got a degree in computer engineering, but I also had a heart to be an entrepreneur, and so I took a lot of business classes there at Tulane University in New Orleans and New Orleans, as maybe some of you guys say. But I ended up with a business minor, and then I started working as a consultant for a company for a while for local parish government down there. And after about 5 years of that, I just continued to have the same desire to just kind of go my own way, so to speak, and that's just kind of how I am. And I just felt led to go ahead and kind of venture out into that direction. And so there was a guy that I'd done some computer work with. I had a handful of clients, and the name of his company was Millennium Business Technologies, and so I sold a house at the time, and so I had some cash flow there, at a cash sitting there to make a purchase. So I purchased those clients from him, and I started the business. And we had plenty of clients down in South Louisiana all the way up until when Hurricane Katrina hit, and then we lost a large portion of our clients, probably about 50% of them, and so we had to go ahead and shortly after that, I ended up moving up here to Georgia and met my wife. And then when I met David, I was in the process of starting to gain some more clients up this way, as well as supporting my clients down in Louisiana still remotely. And so that's kind of where it went. And I wouldn't trade it for anything. Being an entrepreneur is a God given just desire. And I just want to live it. And my whole family, honestly, it's cool how God brings people together, because my whole family is like that. Like my daughter loves crocheting things, and she wants to make a business. My son and my wife like baking things, and they want to make a business. And my other son wants to do a lawn care business next summer. And so yeah, it's in my blood, for sure. Yeah.
That is awesome to hear. That's what we really want to, that's kind of the underlining story here of the Shepherd's Loft show is just the inspiration and the desire to be a business owner, and really what does it take to get there and to be successful. So that's an important part of why we're here and why we're having this discussion today.